My name is Justin Howard. I'm the Missouri Territory Manager along with Kansas and Southern Illinois for AVK. Been with AVK for about a year now, going this August. So newer to the field still, but learning a lot. That's great. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my mic here so we can get a full screen and mute everybody. If you do have any questions, please use the chat form, or we can bring you on at the very end, whatever your preference is. So today we're going to talk about how to operate and properly flush a hydrant. So how does a hydrant operate? Well, let's start with a basic overview of the parts of a hydrant and what they do. So really, before I go in from there, I just want to put this out there. From July 24th to August 7th, I got the great pleasure of spending 2 weeks assisting on the fire hydrant assembly line at our lovely factory in Minden, Nevada. Got a great understanding of fire hydrants and how they're assembled in the factory, from testing all the way to installation of bonnets. So I've seen it all, got a good understanding of that, and such. So does every other territory manager out there. We do want to say, if you are ever in the Minden area or would like a factory tour, please let us know. Here at AVK, we do take very much pride in our products and our factory. So we would love to show that off to you guys as much as we can. Okay, so getting into the hydrant itself, we're going to do a quick parts overview here. We have our weather shield, a nozzle cap, your operating nut, stem, main valve, and base. So let me go over to this video real fast. This gives a quick in-depth of what happens here when we flush a hydrant. So as you can see here, first thing we're going to do is take off our pumper cap here. Then once we do that, we should be able to go ahead and open our hydrant up nice and slow here. You'll see the water come out in a second. Then once we do that, we're going to work down a lower barrel here, which is highlighted now. You're going to see your AVK traffic coupling, which holds your upper and lower stem together. Once we do that, we got the good clean water there. We're going to go ahead and close up our main valve by slowly closing it at least one turn every 2 seconds. What that does is once that main valve gets up, it makes a nice seal, make sure everything doesn't leak for you. Should have the presentation back now. So how to properly flush a hydrant. First thing we're going to do is remove the nozzle cap. Slowly turn on your hydrant. We're going to allow the water to run until water runs clean. Slowly close your hydrant. Like I said earlier, it's one rotation every 2 seconds. Anything further and faster than that does create water hammer and can damage your line or hydrant. Before the water does completely recede, reinstall your nozzle cap, but not all the way. What this does, it allows for water to still weep and a place for air to escape. Once the hydrant drains, go ahead and tighten that nozzle cap fully. So why do we flush the system? Well, there are multiple reasons why we flush our water systems here. First reason be it cleans the inside of your water lines. It does maintain an effective water distribution system. It ensures high quality water is delivered, and it does maintain chlorine residual on a dead end. So we have 2 methods of water flushing we're going to talk about today. The first one being unidirectional, and our second is conventional. So in the conventional method, here you can see a basic conventional system. The water lines are in a loop like most utilities. The conventional method is often used when there is a no flushing plan. The maintenance crew will randomly flush hydrants as time permits in the location they are at. This method may flush mains, but it does stir up your water, causing it to come out dirty at the customer's faucets. The unidirectional method is the same basic water system. They're in a loop like most utilities. There is some sediment that has settled at the bottom of the lines. In the unidirectional method, we take a specific approach to clear lines. On the following screen, we will show you how to properly flush between valves B and valve G. So if we wanted to clear the line between valve B and G, we're going to open up valves A, B, E, and F, and going to close C, D, G, and I. On this screen here, you can see those valves have been closed and the correct valves have been open, and this forces all the water to flush out of the hydrant as shown. Our main objective is to start at one side of your system, where we usually start at the source of your water and flush away towards the end of your distribution system. That is our main goal. And I do want to put in a quick video real fast. We were out at the city of Manhattan, Kansas, not too long ago doing a training program there. We got to see them actually flush a hydrant in their system. I thought it was very good quality to share with you guys here today. So as you can see here, he is opening up the hydrant nice and slowly. It's about 19 turns to fully open an AVK hydrant. And once you do, it is full blast.
It will shake them out.
As you can see here, he is still slowly turning this hydrant on. There is no real speed to it. You just want to let the hydrant start breathing and flowing at a good rate. This little video right here where he is closing the hydrant down at a good slow pace here. Like I was saying earlier, it's about 1 turn per 2 seconds. Once we get that, he goes ahead and slowly gets it on, puts that nozzle cap on, and then he tightens it fully. So other than that, I would like to mention you can always visit our website for more information on products. You can take a virtual tour of our manufacturing facility, download data sheets, watch installation and maintenance videos, or view our brochures. We also do like to mention we have an online training program where you can take online training to learn more about our products. It is free online, and we have over 50 courses on all subjects, from our products to figuring buried depth on a hydrant or changing the signal on a post indicator valve. Once again, my name is Justin Howard. Today I had Kent Culberson with me. He's my Eastern U.S. sales manager. Once again, I am the Missouri, Kansas, and Southern Illinois manager. If you do have any questions, please feel free to ask at this time. I'm going to open up the floor to Ann Payne. She does have some manuals and some handouts she's going to hand out and talk about next week's webinar. So thank you very much, everybody, for your time. We appreciate you being here. Thank you.